Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to link or unlink your X account to your Binance account. So it's actually a quick process whether you're connecting for login or social features. So first, simply log into your Binance account on the website or app. From here, you can then go to your profile, then select account settings. So to link X, you'll simply have to click connect next to the X option. So you'll then be redirected to X's login page where you'll then be able to enter your credentials and authorize Binance to access your account. So once it's confirmed, your X account will then appear as linked. So to unlink, simply go back to the same connected account section, find your X account and click unlink or disconnect. Then simply confirm your choice and Binance will then remove the connection. And that's it. So you can now link or unlink X from your Binance account safely in just a few steps. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.